Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I've got a full review of the new Beatbox SORA 70 robot pool vacuum. I'm gonna get it unboxed real quick, charge it up, and then throw it in the pool. We're gonna see how it does. Got a nice big easy quick start guide right in the top of the box. Shows us all the major parts, how to charge it, how to install the app, basic use, cleaning, and picking it up out of the pool. And of course a full user manual as well. We've got an emergency retrieval hook you can put on your pool stick. Got a dedicated power charging brick, kind of looks like an OBD2 connector. And the unit itself, which is big, but actually quite light. Tons of warning stickers, make sure you read them and take them off before use. We've got jets everywhere, we've got rubber treads. This cleans your walls, your platforms, your surface. Comes back to a spot in parks when it's low on battery or finished. Completely app controlled, including remote manual control. And has a huge 10,000 milliamp hour battery stack. So I just connected it to the app. Let everything update. It did have a new firmware update. This is designed to basically be on the charger if it's not in the pool. It's not like a house robot where it will live in the pool in any kind of dock or anything like that. So you use it, you clean, you pull it out, and then put it back in the house on the charger and let it sit until the next time you want to plop it down. And this is only good for regular cleaning, not your first deep clean of the season. You still need to remove the big debris out, and then this will take care of all the normal day-to-day clean. So the operation is dead simple. This is the power switch, and there are two modes. If you want it to do everything, the floor, the walls, steps, surface, the whole shebang, you just put it to the left. That's what they call Pro mode, and this light will be on, and as soon as you drop it in the water, it starts the sequence, and it does your whole pool. If you want to do any one or different combinations of those, you go to the right and you can use the app to select which of those you want it to do. Now, if you're just doing surface mode or it's going to surface mode, it'll start right away as soon as you drop it in the pool. All the others, it will calibrate, it'll blow its ballast tanks like a little submarine and take about 5 minutes to go to the bottom before it starts. So we're gonna do a full sweep here, and the first time that you run it, it goes through a calibration sequence in the app. So that's actually what I'm gonna do right now. To put it in the pool and start, you simply pick it up by the handle and plop it in. When it's done with whatever you told it to do, either a full sweep or just any particular ones, it automatically will come to the edge, surface, and park, ready for you to pull it out, and then you just put it back on the charger until next time. And the one important thing is you need to make sure that your filter system is turned off because it can't fight those extreme currents. It will use its own current generation to maneuver and clean the pool. So the one thing I noticed right away is as it surfaces, it breaks the Wi-Fi connection to your network. I actually just finished moving my router out here so I could try to get a connection again. And I just noticed fine print in the app that says that's normal when it's underwater. I was wondering how it was going to maintain a connection, but it doesn't. So it goes through its natural progression as it's underwater and then reconnects after you bring it up to the surface. So don't freak out when it loses connection and you're looking in the app. Other than this, you just let it do its thing and you're gonna have a clean pool. Of course, it depends on how big the pool is and what you told it to do, how long it's gonna take. Really simple. Now when it's in surface mode, it doesn't have to submerge, so it will start cleaning right away after you put it in. Now it's basically a big Roomba. And if you want to remote control it in surface mode, you can. The front side is the side with the handle, by the way. And anytime it's on the surface and not disconnected from Wi-Fi, you can just hit the park button, and it'll go back to the side and park so you can pick it up. Cleaning it out is super easy. There's a lever right under here. Pop your top off, and there you go. All that was sucked in just in a few minutes, just filming this little video. Everything lifts out, clean it, put it back in, keep going. It's as simple as that. Whenever you're done with it, you just pull it out and let it drain. the motor will stop and the app will say it's done, and then just plug it into the charger. And that's all there is. I am super impressed with this thing. It really does a great job. Plus, it's just darn fun to watch. As far as ease of use, saving huge hassles on cleaning your pool, this thing can't be beat. 10 out of 10. Be sure to click the link in the description, use that discount code, and save yourself even more cash while the early bird discount is still active. Really cool. Definitely saves you a lot of time and money. Hope it helps. See you next time.